Good morning. I wanted to make one of those videos where I look cool, but it's not really happening. This is a video about photography. I think I'm gonna make this a tutorial or something. Let me get changed and I'll fill you in on my way there. So a couple of weeks ago, a buddy of mine, Jack, he told me about these guys that do parkour in Forlì. I decided to write them and ask them if they wanted me to take pictures of them. And the guys agreed, actually. And now I'm going to meet them. And since I didn't have any idea for the vlog, I think I'm gonna shoot this and I'm gonna post it as a vlog. I am posting it as a vlog or as a tutorial. I don't know yet. So right now I'm heading to meet the guys. And the idea for this is to make like a sort of VlogTorial. I think it's a new word. VlogTorial. I think this is gonna be the title of the video. Okay, so here we are with the guys. They will introduce themselves. This is...
Hello, my name is Lewis. I've been doing parkour for like almost 5 years, and I'm originally from England, but I've been living here in Italy for like almost 20 years, something like that. And this is my good friend Omar.
I mean, you can hear the accent, right? He's like so British.
Yeah, I can speak both languages.
Yeah, and this is...
Hi, I'm Omar. I start parkour the same time. Yeah, we start together, and
yeah,
I don't know.
I suppose that's it. Yeah, the guys are warming up. Look at this. Yeah.
Yeah, because in this sport it's very important to warm up before you start doing anything, because even though you might be a pro, but if you don't warm up and you start doing stuff like on wards without mattresses or anything, it could be actually dangerous, because you could also slip. You have to also trust your surroundings, you know, study the place around you, see what's slippery, see what's not. And so, but also, at the meantime, have fun, you know. See, I mean, we start doing, you know, warm-ups and, you know, soft stuff, but then after we start developing into more challenging lines or courses.
These guys are pros. So today the light isn't exactly the best, but we are going to try and make do with what we have. And yeah, let's see what they can do. Okay, while the guys are warming up, I think I'm gonna take some pictures. And then we're gonna get into it. I think we're gonna start with some portraits. I mean, we have a lot of harsh light, but I'm gonna move the guys into shadows, maybe right down here. And we're gonna take a couple of headshots, then some full shots, and then we can start going into action. So these guys cannot like stay without moving for a second. They're constantly moving. Now we're gonna shoot some portraits. I'm gonna shoot it with the 85 because that's my main portrait lens. And let's see how this goes. So now, since you speak like very well English, we're gonna go with this. Okay, come forward, Nice. Just be chill, relax, everything. Now main guidelines: lower a little bit your chin. Push it towards me a little bit, like this. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. A little bit lower. Nice. Now give me the badass. Can you do something like this? Where you're like, if you can, I don't know, say like this. Yeah. Right, I just want to try. Cool. See? Okay, so these guys are crazy. They are magicians in this thing. And how are you guys feeling?
Pretty good.
There he is. I'm fine. Okay, so we're ready. I'm going there. He's ready. Let's hope this goes well. Man, this place smells like piss. Yeah. Did you see that? I mean, this dude smashed it. Way to go, mate.
Thank you.
Now his turn. What's your magic trick?
Improvisation.
Okay, come on, let's see that. Let's see that. Okay, so now we've decided to change location because we've shot like a shitload of shots in this place. We're going in the underground parking lot, and we're gonna see what can we do there. Okay, so we're here in the parking lot. We've tried to take a couple of shots. I don't really feel the place. The light isn't very good, really. I tried some flash shots, but the flash wasn't working exactly well. But now we're moving outside from here, and we're gonna try some other cool shots, right? So Luis got to go, and I'm gonna shoot with Omar a couple of other shots somewhere. I don't know where yet, but it's been a pretty great day so far. I think we got a couple of shots and some nice footage. What do you think, guys?
Yeah, I think today was fun. You know, trying also to do parkour with you know, someone who does photographs in a professional way, a lot more professional than we are, trust me. So yeah, it was good, and you showed me some shots they took. They seemed pretty legit, pretty nice, educating.
Yeah, very
out of a form, you know, it's to learn about photography and the lighting and everything. We never thought about some stuff, and so it's cool.
Okay, so this is the last location. Luis has left us, and it's only me and Omar now. Go, man. Yeah. Whoa, did you see that? Did you see that? Now Omar is gonna try something that he used to do before, but now he's not sure he can make it. I'm pretty sure he will make it. And this is a sick trick. So, are you ready, man?
I'm ready.
And he's done it. Congrats, man. Happy, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I think this is where I'm gonna wrap it basically, and it's been a pretty cool day actually. We've had a lot of fun, and yeah, I guess I will see you in the next video. Don't share, don't like, don't subscribe, don't do any of that shit.
Don't search me on Instagram.
Do not do that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.